day turning into night, a 360-degree sunset, the famous diamond ring phenomenon. A total solar eclipse is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. It's easy to view an eclipse safely, but there's a few things you need to keep in mind. First and most importantly, do not look at the sun without proper eye protection. You may only look directly at the eclipse during totality, when the sun is completely covered by the moon. During the partial phases of any solar eclipse, you must use approved solar filters. You can choose from a few different types of solar-safe products depending on how you want to view the eclipse. Solar glasses and binoculars come in a few different designs: simple paper glasses, folding paper binoculars, hard plastic glasses, and solar binoculars. These products are great because they're portable and simple to use. Make sure you put on your eye protection before looking up towards the sun, and look away before removing it. If it's windy, hang on to paper products while you observe so they don't blow away. For a magnified view of the sun, you can use a solar telescope or a nighttime telescope equipped with a solar filter. Solar telescopes are an excellent choice because the filter cannot be removed. The Eclipse Smart Telescope 50mm includes a unique solar-safe finder scope to make it easy to center the sun in the eyepiece without directly viewing the sun. If you want to use your nighttime telescope to view the sun, choose a filter made to fit your telescope's aperture. Make sure the filter can be secured onto the front end of the optical tube with set screws or safety straps for a secure fit. You should also remove the nighttime finder scope. Whichever solar equipment you choose, look for this label on the packaging to ensure it's certified to NASA's latest and most stringent ISO safety standards. All of Celestron's Eclipse Smart products are ISO compliant. And of course, always supervise kids closely to make sure they are using their solar equipment properly. Thank you for watching. Now get out there and enjoy the 2017 solar eclipse.